One of the things I've always been a little bit concerned with is the cleanliness of the seawater outside, especially in a marina if you're running the engine in a marina for a while. So what I've done is bought a sea strainer. It was about $22. Amazon. Here's the lid. I've just bolted it up into the bulkhead there. What I'm going to do is cut this hose, just route the water to the intake of this, which is where you can see it coming in there, and then it'll put water in this bowl and it'll come back out to the engine around the corner. Here's another tip: when I'm reattaching hoses to things like new sea strainers or engine, always make sure I cut a new piece of hose off. That way I know I'm getting a fresh area to clamp down on. Another thing is, it's always a good idea to have your clamps opposite, if at all possible, like this, because as you're screwing them up, you can imagine one of them, say the top one, will clamp the top of the hose and the bottom one will clamp the bottom of the hose. So if there's any pinching, the pinching is dispersed between one side and the other, not all down one track, so it'll reduce the likelihood of there being any leak even though your clamps are done up. Okay, there we go, job done. I'm going to run it now and see what I can see in the sea strainer. I've got these all the Jubilee clamps on. I forget what they're called over here in the UK. These are Jubilee clamps, these things. Stainless, of course. And I've put these hose holders on as well, just to basically, if there's any vibration set up, I don't want the hose getting into some kind of resonance and then weakening any joints. So these are useful as well. You can see my double opposite clamps and get the camera around onto the engine, or water in there as well. Looks good from here. All very tight. Let's see what happens. Now I'm at idle. It'll be interesting to see if I still have water pulling. Pretty sure I do.